Today we will discuss 01 knapsack problem. Given weights and values or profits of n items, put a subset of these items in a knapsack of capacity W to get the maximum total value or profit. You can't break an item. Either pick the complete item or don't pick the item. For example, there are 6 items and the bag capacity is 10. The weights and profits are given. Weight of the first item is 1 and its profit is 20. Second item, weight 2, profit 5. Third item, weight 3, profit 10. Fourth item, weight 8, profit 40. Fifth item, weight 7, profit 15. Sixth item, weight 4, profit 25. You can expect the output as an array of ones and zeros. If you pick an item, the corresponding cell in the output array will be 1. If you are not picking an item, the corresponding cell in the outputs array will be 0. And this problem, the maximum profit you can achieve is 60. See the combinations. Here you can see the first item, second item, third item and the sixth item, which gives a maximum profit 60, and the subset first item and the fourth item, it also gives a maximum profit 60. There may be other combinations which gives you maximum profit 60, but they may not meet the condition that the weight of the knapsack should not exceed the capacity. Let us see the state space tree of this problem. This is same as the state space tree of sum of subset problem. In both problems, you are trying to generate a subset with an item or without an item. Here the left subtree is formed by including the first item, and you are constructing the right subtree without including the first item. At a particular node, suppose this one, here you have excluded the fourth item, you have included third item, you have included second item, and you have excluded first item. So here every leaf node represents a solution pattern. We are trying to solve this 01 knapsack using brute force approach. It has to generate all the 2 raised to n possible solutions and select the desired ones. And we can construct a solution for the 01 knapsack problem by slight modification of the solution for sum of subset problem. You can view this sum of subset problem as a special case of 01 knapsack if the weight equal to profit, and both these programs are NP hard. And once you got a solution instance for the 01 knapsack problem, you can verify it in polynomial time, but finding a solution will take exponential time. We can reduce the sum of subset problem to 01 knapsack. That is, there exists a feasible solution to the instance of sum of subset problem if and only if there exists a feasible solution to the instance of 01 knapsack with a profit greater than or equal to some y. So 01 knapsack is NP complete. Let us try a solution for this 01 knapsack using brute force approach. Here we are modifying the program for sum of subset problem to develop a solution for 01 knapsack problem. See the additional data items used here. P are the array used to store profits, and M the bag capacity, and G profit and L profit. G profit is the maximum profit we got so far, and L profit is a variable to store the profit at a particular node or problem state. X is the resultant array. Here we will print all the patterns along with their profit and weight. Our target is finding the maximum profit. We will try to construct all subsets and find their profit and weight. Here if index k is equal to n plus 1, we are at a leaf node. Then we will calculate the weight of that subset, and we will calculate the profit of that subset. If we find this profit at that problem state is greater than the maximum profit we have calculated so far, we have to update the maximum profit. So we will update G profit if this L profit is greater than G profit, and we will return from the problem state. If it is not a leaf node, we will try to include the item, then descend to the next level. That is, we are generating the left subtree, then we are generating the right subtree, we are excluding that item and descend to the next level. See here we are not checking the weight because we have to generate all the 2 raised to n possible solutions and calculate the maximum profit that can be achieved. And the problem is called here with a parameters 1 and n. 1 is the first index and n is the number of elements. The next, let us run this program. Let us see the data file. Our data is stored in a file and we are passing that data file to this program. This format is first line carries the number of items and second line the bag capacity. Then the subsequent lines are first weight, then profit. You can see the maximum profit we can achieve is 60. Next, let us check how many combinations will give the maximum profit. You can see 4 combinations, but these 2 combinations give the maximum profit, but the weight exceed the bag capacity. So those 2 combinations are desirable ones. Next, let us try, can we solve this 01 knapsack problem using greedy approach. So in the greedy approach, we will arrange these items in the descending order of Pi by Wi. Then we will pick the item with the maximum pi by wi value. We have developed a program for solving fraction knapsack in which we are permitted to take a fraction, but in zero knapsack it is not permitted, so we have to comment that area. Now this program is suitable for 0-1 knapsack, but our approach is greedy. So let us try this program on the same data. See here, this algorithm picked only the first two items. You got a profit 45 only, and you used the bag capacity only 5 kg, 1 plus 4. First two items you were picking. So this is not an optimal solution. That is, greedy approach is not suitable to solve the 0-1 knapsack. Let us see the reason with a small example. Suppose there are two items with weight C and 1, and their profits are C minus 1 and 1. Let us calculate the pi by wi and arrange them in descending order. You can see C minus 1 by C is less than 1. 1 by 1. So if we arrange the items in descending order of this pi by wi, we will get this arrangement. First, the weight 1, item with weight 1, it has the maximum pi by wi value, and the second item, its weight is C and profit is C minus 1. C is greater than 2. Our algorithm will pick the first item with weight 1 and profit 1. But you can see, if you pick the second item, you will get more profit. Unfortunately, this algorithm picked the first item with weight 1 and profit 1. So we can't use a greedy approach to solve this 0-1 knapsack problem. Let us see the recursive implementation of 0-1 knapsack problem. You can see the array W, which will show the weights, and array P for storing profits, and M is the bag capacity. And the function knapsack, the arguments are I and RC. I is the index of the array, and RC is the remaining capacity. Now let us see the state space tree. Here, this problem instance receives a profit through this leg, and this is by including W1, and this leg, this subtree excluding W1. So this problem state receives a profit through this leg by including W1, and receives a profit through this leg by excluding W1. So this will check which is the maximum profit, the profit coming through the left leg or through the right leg, which is maximum, that will be returned. See here, when I is the index is greater than n, or the remaining capacity is less than or equal to 0, we will return 0. If the remaining capacity is greater than or equal to Wi, the weight of the item I, we will include its profit and go for the next item. So it is variable include equal to pi plus knapsack I plus 1 RC minus WI. Once WI is included, we should decrement the remaining capacity. Initially it will be M. Then this is for the right subtree by excluding WI. Then we will get two values. This value through the left subtree by including WI, and this is through the right subtree by excluding WI. We will find which is highest and will return that. And this function is called in the main program knapsack with the variables 1, m. 1 is the starting index and m is the capacity. Let us run this program, and our data is this one. N equal to 4, weights are 5, 4, 6 and 3, profits are 10, 40, 30 and 50. The bag capacity is 10. It is arranged here in this file. 4 is the number of items, 10 is the bag capacity. Then next lines weight, then profit. So the maximum profit is 90. Let us check the data. We can see that 50 plus 40 are the maximum profit we can achieve. Then the bag weight will be 7. Thank you.